do few more games and then we can make another break and see what else we've learned and if we are slowly ready to finish with Code Combat and do some serious coding. So let's see. Here we have to combine everything we know so far. So loops, if else, flags, cleave, attack, position, and move. So all in one. Let's see how to combine all this. So use if and else if to handle any situation. Put it all together to defeat enemies and pick up coins. Make sure you bought great armor from the item shop and 400 health is recommended. So because our health is only 329, we have to get some more health. So let's see, how do we get more health? Speed, damage. Where is the health? Health. So we can check. This one is 25. And this one 37. So okay, this is better. Let's also see the armor. 138. And this one is even 56. Oof, 200. Let's buy this one. This one. So 200, and what we had before was 117. So okay, so here we got a really good one. Let's see if there is something more that is crazy. This one is, this helmet is really, oof. Let's do this helmet. Awesome. Now we are like superheroes. Let's see how much health we have. Okay, wow, 574 health. That's awesome. That's super awesome. Okay, so what we have to do? What happens? So we have flag, we have enemy, and we have these items, the coins. So if there is a flag, what happens if there is a flag? If there is an enemy, what happens if there is an enemy? And if there is an item, what happens if there is an item? So let's see. If there is a flag, we should go and pick the flag. If there is an enemy, we should fight the enemy. And if there are items, we should collect the items. So try to solve this game alone, and later we will also solve it together. Okay, so we have a first if there is a flag, we should pick up the flag. If there is an enemy, we should cleave the enemy if the cleave is ready, and attack an enemy if the cleave is not ready. And if there is an item, we should calculate the position of the item and then get X and Y for this position and use them to move the hero to this position. So if you can see, we have 3 ifs, but only the first one starts with if. All the other ifs have to be written with else if, but they mean the same. So if there is a flag, you do this. If there is an enemy, you do this. And if there is an item, you do this. This is just like a syntax how we write these if methods. Okay, so let's try it out. We will have to put, so we cleave, because there was an enemy and the cliff was ready. Otherwise we move and collect these coins. Now we have to move the hero with the flag, because if there is a flag, hero goes and collects the flag, and he cliffs because the cliff was ready. Perfect. Now we move the hero with the flag to another room. Cliff is ready. If it's not ready, we attack. And if there are coins, we collect them. And now we go to the last one. But you see, the most important things are first. So if there is a flag, hero moves there. If there's an enemy, he will first attack the enemy, and then he will go to the last if, which is if there are coins, he will collect them. So the order of ifs is important, because this is also the importance of the actions that the hero will execute. So first he checks if there is a flag. If there is a flag, he goes there. Then he checks if there is a enemy, attack the enemy. And the last thing he checks is if there is a coin or this item, and then he collects. So take care that you have the right order, because the computer will execute the code based on the order. So if, else if, else if, else if. Okay, great job.